Okay, just got back from Andy's. Andy did some work on the suspension for the trailer. Andy's a pretty amazing welder. We were having issues, as you probably saw before, that it was bouncing all over the place.
We're going to take the whole leaf spring and drop it 4 inches from factory. Put the axle on top of the leaf springs. That way it gives it more clearance between there and the axle tube. So that when you're hitting the gnar whoops, you don't crush your stuff. So longer shackles on the back, longer hangers in the front, sweet racing shocks, and chrome.
Sounds like a plan. Icon is going to be sending us over some regular eyelet shocks with a 6-inch stroke, so we can kind of figure out where we're going to mount them based on how these shocks end up. We'll see how it works next time we take it out and romp with it. Check out Eversen Fab. That's at Eversen Fab on Instagram. Andy is an amazing welder. He's working on a bunch of Baja trucks, so super cool guy too. So thanks, Andy.